Welcome to the infrared of Motorola Moto G42, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. Unfortunately, by default we have now installed always on display feature on our Motorola phone. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. And now just open Play Store, and here in the search pool enter Muviz Edge application. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we just should open the application and click here draw our apps. Now just find the Muviz Edge application and just click once on the swatcher. After that, just go back to the application and tap to AOD and select one from these available terms. For example, let's use this one. Just tap here to apply, and now just lock the device. And we can see that the always on display feature is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.